Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're focused on improving your website's SEO, you'll want to make sure search engines clearly understand your structured data. Outdated microformats like Hentry and Hatom can clutter your code and create unnecessary noise for search engines. In this video, I'll show you a free and easy way to remove them, so your modern schema gets all the attention, no coding needed. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins. Add New. In the search bar, type Shield Climb. Look for the plugin with a lime green square logo and broom icon. Click Install Now. Then click Activate. Once the plugin is activated, it immediately starts working behind the scenes. There's no settings page, no configuration needed. It automatically removes the Hentry and Hatom microformats from your WordPress theme output. To confirm it's working, you can use schema.org data testing tool. Go to validator.schema.org. Just enter your site URL, run the test, and check the results. You'll see that Hentry and Hatom have been completely removed. If you ever deactivate the plugin, WordPress will return to its default behavior, which means Hentry and Hatom will come back. So keep the plugin active to maintain a clean, structured data profile. And that's it. A super simple way to clean up old microformats like Hentry and Hatom and help search engines focus on your modern structured data. We also offer free plugins that let you accept credit card payments with instant approval and payouts, as well as a crypto payment gateway with no redirects and fast payouts. Click the video on the right to learn more. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more free WordPress tools at shieldclimb.com. See you in the next one.